guys. Oh god, this is zoomed in, but hi, welcome back to my life, and today we're kayaking. If you can't see, we're on the water.
We're just snacking while kayaking.
Here's Karina, and there's Ashton. I don't know if you can see him.
Rachel.
Karina, move your boat. The heck, we're about to have a wreck up here. Look at this. But, yeah, so we're just kayaking. I'm going to turn the camera around, though, so that you can see everything. And this is what's on my boat. So I have just my snags in this. And there's Ashton. Say hi, Ashton. And there's, yeah, just snacking. But, yeah, we're listening to some music. Yeah. I don't know if I could video at the same, I'll try to video at the same time while kayaking.
That will take Rachel an hour to freaking...
Yeah, I'm just gonna video some as like memory. And my intro is not gonna be in this video because like,
Rachel,
I'm videoing off of my phone. You wanna see?
We make the video.
Hold on, let me. Ashton, please don't wreck into me.
I'll move away so...
Okay. Karina wanted me to show you guys her pet. If y'all wanna go watch my old video, Karina was 9 when she was kayaking.
Hear it. Y'all couldn't hear it.
And there's Ashton. I gotta be careful because...
her freaking thing.
Yeah, I'll video kayaking a little bit and then I'll stop every now and then and do it again. This is kind of fun, and I might turn the camera around some. Watch me kayak. Yeah, I brought my snack and soda. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off now so I can do this without kayaking. There's Karina, there's Ashton. Dad's like, I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's all the way back there. Somewhere back there. But yeah, eating some Skittles. And so we're still in our kayaks. There's Karina, she's kayaking with me. Dad finally caught up, but he's all the way up there now with Ashton. We're in this big lake. I think we're about to, like, honestly, we are. I'm gonna see if I can like set my camera somewhere up here. I don't know. I've never vlogged in my kayak. This is actually got my Skittles. And
Wild powder on.
yeah, but I got my camera set up in here. Semi-okay, I don't really know. Got Karina over here with me. Yeah, she's kayaking. Figured I'd video some. We're still kayaking. If the camera falls, I'm sorry, but I have it in between my legs, so try to video towards the front. There's Karina, and they're all the way up there. Karina, wait for me, I'm coming. Just coming slowly but surely. Oh, I can move my own leg for the camera and stuff. That's pretty cool. Like,
It's cherry cola.
yeah, got my stuff. I got all this. I don't know if I've showed you. I probably have, but yeah, I'm about to switch the camera around. Zoomed in a lot, but
Are there dolphins?
Dolphins? No, Karina, there's no dolphins in this water. Alright, so this is weird. Oh yeah, Karina, there's like fish all the way over there. I don't know if you, oh wait. Wow, I have the camera facing my forehead, but they're all the way over there. I don't know if you can see it. Or over here. There's the sun. Sorry if you got blinded. What? Yeah, they're all the way up there. I don't know if we're in Paw. I don't even know where we're at. What? We need to hurry up and catch up to them, though, because when they, like... Yeah, I'm about to say, because when they get too far ahead, we can't see it. We're going to be like, where do we go? But, hold on. What? Y'all should go check out the video where Karina kayaked when she was 9. That was almost... Actually, that was probably a year ago. Karina, you know that was probably a year ago? From, like, close to today, a year ago, you were kayaking and you were 9 still. And I was sitting in the back. Pretty cool. Yeah, stay tuned because we're going back to Car Lake July 11th. Is that somebody else kayaking? Oh, I think that's Ashton. Dad. There's Dad all the way over there. You want to say hi to the vlog? He's fishing. It's a vlog. He's fishing. He already caught 2, right? And there's Ashton down there. Hold on, I gotta turn my kayak around. This is awkward. Okay. What? You did? I want to video you doing that. Y'all watch Dad as he pulls in a nice fish. I'm gonna try to get close without wrecking into Karina.
Yeah.
He's Look, he got a fish. I'm gonna zoom in because I don't know if y'all can see him. He's catching a fish. So this is probably my first time Dad was on the vlog. Catching a fish. He's already got 3 now. And he just puts it in his cooler. I got it on camera. There's Karina. It's zoomed in so they can see you really good. I mean, not fish, what the heck? There's ducks. Just swimming. Right now, here's Karina. This is how we have our legs right now, just like this.
My arm's tired.
There's no way we could tie ourselves together. I don't know, but we're just chilling. Dad and Ashton are over there. I don't know if you can see either of them, but they're over there actually. And we're just chilling.
Like a fat ass.
No. Karina's freaking, what the fuck's going on over here? My freaking toe's about to break over here. And
you could just take your toe out, right?
Yeah, but then the boat's gonna go away, I think. Probably not, who knows, but
yeah, it's probably because I'm holding on to this rope. Watch my hand.
I don't know if y'all seen the tour. You want to do a tour of your boat? Like, hold on, listen. Hi everyone. My name's Karina, and I'm about to do a tour of my boat. What the heck?
Okay.
First of all, there's freaking toes everywhere. Second of all, Karina, you want us to give them a tour of your kayak?
So over here, spiders are probably down here, but there's crocs right here, and here's a cup holder that I put my Skittles in. And there's a holder right there, but I put trash right there, and I just put this on the floor. And there's 2 lights up there.
I put those up there actually. Don't they look nice?
Look at my toes right here, and there's some ropes right here, and I'm trying to hold on to this because if I let go, it's probably gonna go into the water and gonna have to catch it.
My boat has the same lights that I applied myself.
We were gonna go swimming until Dad said there was
my shoes, my glasses, my
oh yeah, I got my hat right here.
Oh yeah, her hat. Got this thingy. This thing connects down here, so it just holds my paddle. And then I have the thing. I put my phone in this. My drink.
Rachel, just let go.
My Skittles went somewhere. Actually, they're down here, probably with fish doo-doo all in them. But
we're still over here.
Yeah.
Because I let go.
Yeah. And yeah. We're leaving now. Gotta turn the boat. There's Karina on the front. And we're just kayaking back now. I can't help you down there. Swim and kayak. I'm not. Hold on, just be patient, because I'm going this way. We're going to end up crashing. The side of the road, if y'all know where this bridge is, and it's like there, but y'all should come over here. It's pretty peaceful. I would recommend bug spray, but some people don't get eaten up, but yeah, I don't even know.
Yeah, I think
this way. Yeah. I think that's a shortcut. I guess we'll find out whenever Dad comes and we're lost.
This has to be the wrong way.
I don't see them, but I guess they'll find us. I see them actually. The Popsies are like, this is actually my first time.
This isn't where Dad is.
Alright, we know the way now. We're going this way. Karina's going ahead. Karina, be careful. Y'all should go follow Karina's channel, Karina's Life. She has a YouTube channel, so y'all should go follow her. get sideswiped by the bush. No, I dodged. I didn't hit it, but I almost did. That's funny. Got the brain of a pelican. We actually watched a bird get taken away by a seagull, or no, a pelican actually. Pelican, and that was pretty cool. I was like, that fish saw some things. He took a flight. Now he probably died as soon as that bird picked him up. Who knows? That's what it looks like so far everywhere. What's this? Dad and Ashton are gone. This is where we are, but no. I was stopped to show the camera everywhere, and now I'm kind of. No, this is just an island, I think. Actually, we could try going this way, but I don't know really. Alright, I'm getting closer. What? This is probably the first time I've ever been able to vlog myself.
This is the first time I ever lost the way, and then I remember.
Yeah. But you officially learned how to kayak like almost a year ago. I don't know if I think I vlogged that one in June, so it's probably somewhere around a year ago. But anyways, we're still kayaking. What? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna stop the vlog until we get there because I want to listen to some music. So yeah, we'll pick up when we're in the truck. Now it's kind of dark, but you gotta say hi. Yeah, we're going to get something to eat now. Guys, so this is the end of the video. It's the next day. I didn't end it last night, but please like, please subscribe, and bye.